Hello, I'm Mike Salino, and I'm a real estate agent. And the purpose of this video is to persuade you that I can sell your home in 90 days or less at fair market value or better. Now, if you already have your property listed with another agent, you should know that I can't do that for you as long as your contract with that agent is in force. So yes, you heard me right. I will sell your home in less than 90 days for fair market value or better. And I'll do that using a combination of traditional, tried and tested real estate methods, along with some new ideas you may not have thought about. Now, you probably know that when you're selling your home, your major competition are the banks selling repossessed or foreclosed properties. They make it all about the price. We make it about everything else. The first step is to make sure that your home is presented in the best possible light. Over the years, we've developed a pretty good sense of the best way to prepare a property for sale. We've incorporated it all into this handy 18-page booklet, which I'll be happy to send you free of charge. All you have to do is ask. Then when you're ready, I'll come and do a room-by-room review of your home so that you will know exactly what you need to do to make buyers say, I want this house, within a minute of walking through the front door. And by the way, that's about as long as it takes to make the yes-no decision. After that, everything is reinforcement of that initial instant decision. Now, as part of that discussion, we'll talk about whether it's appropriate to have your house professionally staged. That's what builders do in their model homes. They are professional sellers and they know what works. And once we have your home looking at its best, then we need to prepare some promotional materials. That might be a YouTube video like this one, a virtual tour, an old-fashioned paper brochure, or maybe a website. And of course the MLS listing, so that when we go looking for buyers, we have something to show them. If we're allowed to, we'll put signs on the property. We have a number of different types, including one of these. This is a two-dimensional barcode. You scan it with your phone and it takes you directly to a website, or maybe a video like this. But that's probably how you got here in the first place. Now, you probably know that these days almost everybody starts their search for a home on the web. It might be Craigslist, or Zillow, or Realtor.com, or Yahoo Real Estate, or any one of thousands of sites that offer access to homes for sale. We'll make sure that your home is visible all over the web. However, there is a good possibility that we have your buyer already in our database. Our marketing puts us in contact with many people looking to buy a property. For most people, the process takes about 60 to 90 days before they find their ideal home. When yours goes on the market, we will have a list of people waiting for it, and that's where we'll go first. Buyers get tired and confused with the enormous numbers of properties on the market, so that when we call them and tell them we found their dream home, they want to see it right away. We make sure it's as easy as possible for buyers to see your home. Most people who are shopping for a home do it in the evenings or at weekends, and that's often when they make the decision to go and look. Surprisingly, that concept is not sunk in with many listing agents. Just try calling at 3 o'clock on Sunday afternoon to make a viewing appointment and see where it gets you. Now, my team includes specialized buyer's agents who are happy to work outside 9 to 5. And we have a number of systems in place, including answering the phone, to make sure that your home is always ready to be on show. Now, I want to tell you about a novel idea we're using to generate excitement and offers for your home. It's called a Dutch auction. Check out the concept on Wikipedia. But basically what we do is to set the initial price high and then let everybody know it will reduce by a set amount at a specific time each week. First person to make an offer at the asking price gets the house. If you've ever tried to buy a bank-owned home and got involved in multiple offers, you'll know that you can literally wait weeks for an answer. With our system, the buyer knows instantly they can buy the house, and it usually results in a higher selling price. It may not work for everybody, but it's another approach which might work for you. Incidentally, we also make it very easy to make offers. We'll accept them by fax, by email, by phone, by hand, or by snail mail. And of course, before we're done, we'll make sure that there's a proper contract in place, that the buyer is qualified to buy and is serious. But I think the most important thing is to make that initial contact and open a conversation. I never cease to be amazed how some agents will make you jump through hoops by demanding piles of paper and a specific format for the offer before they'll present it. Once we have an agreed offer on your property, I have a team that swings into action to make sure the sale closes quickly and smoothly. We have inspectors and contractors, mortgage people, a title company, and many others we can refer you to. And your sale will be handled by a closing specialist who will make sure all the details are taken care of. And yes, I will be at your closing. Now, if for some strange reason you decide you no longer want us working for you, we do provide you with our easy exit guarantee. At any time, just let me know if you're not happy, and if I can't fix the problem, we'll part as friends immediately with no cost to you. One more thing. I'm not interested in listing your home. I want to sell it. I'm in business to sell homes, and listings just cost me money. So, if you're ready to sell your home, just pick up the phone, dial this number, and say, "Mike, I want you to sell my home." Now, if it's the middle of the night, I might not answer. You could try texting to this number, or you could send me an email to this email address, or you could try this website. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Have a great day.